Why am I wasting setting spray when I'm finna be in the house? I don't know.
Me on the cheek and I fell in love. Is a little taller now. Into big things, he's a baller now. His heart never changed, I can see he's still down. I can't forget it. More than his voice is changing.
Hey guys, it's Jerika. Welcome back to my channel. I feel like I need a new intro because I'm always saying that and I'm kind of sick of saying that, but I'm not going to ramble on and on in this video because I hate rambling. But I'm going to be doing a review on the ABH Riviera palette. When I first saw this palette, I was like, ain't no need to go get that palette. Like, that palette got colors like every other palette. Excuse me, colors that every other palette has. And you guys know, like, I'm the type of person who likes to just go and buy palettes just because. But I decided to just go ahead and give it a try, and obviously you know, we're just going to see how it goes. So this is the palette right here. I like the packaging that it's kind of like textured. I feel like I'm not going to drop it, so that's a good thing. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. It looks way more pigmented than it did in the store. Whoa. So this is what it looks like. The camera is really like washing it out, but trust me, in person it looks extremely pigmented, especially that pink. Oh my god. So yeah, this is the palette. It comes with, let's see, 14 shades, and it comes with their little brush that they always have. I have some fallout on this brush. I'm gonna be using the brush because I feel like, you know, with these eyeshadow you need like specific brushes. As usual, I'm trying to start a video and I don't have everything ready. Y'all already know the routine. You guys already know how my videos go. You already know that I never have anything ready. The brush that I used to cut my crease with broke in half, so it's literally this little small thing. So I'm hoping that I can even use it properly. We're gonna see. I don't know. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my lids using the Makeup Revolution concealer in C2. I'm just gonna dot. So I've been seeing a lot of people do like the purple and blue look. I saw this one look, it looked so pretty. I've seen a lot of people using this blue shade, so I'm like, do I want to be like everybody else and use the blue shade? I mean, this purple shade, or do I really want to be different and use the pink shade? Yeah, I'm gonna use, maybe I'm gonna do pink and blue instead of purple and blue. We're just gonna see how it goes. I mean, what made me really, another thing that made me want to get this palette is because it's like spring is coming, so you're like, you know, you want to be doing spring vibes. So what I'm gonna do, oh my god, you guys, look how pigmented this is. Okay, what I'm gonna do first, like, I barely dipped my brush in this color. I don't think I've ever seen a pink so pigmented, you guys. Like, Juvia's Place be pigmented, but this is another level. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is go in the color Coastline. Now I'm going with Monte Carlo. That's going to be my crease color, I mean my transition shade. But I'm looking for like a brush to pack it on with, which I have not found yet. So I guess I'm going to pack it on with this brush right here, which is kind of dusty. Let me go ahead and get that off. Monte Carlo. Ooh, that's pigmented too. So I'm going to pack this on the outer corner. Not the outer corner. It's like the outer edges of this. Okay, so now I gotta go back in with that pink really quick just to make sure that, you know, we don't lose the intensity that we have going on here. Just packing that back on. Alright, now, so I got the pink packed on. To cut my crease, I'm going to go in with this small bootleg brush that I broke. And I'm going to go back in with the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C12. I probably should have used my other camera that autofocuses, so I need to make sure I don't move my body. Okay, so I got this eye cut, so while it's still a little bit damp, I'm going to go in with a flat brush and my MAC Fix Plus. And I said I was going to go in with this blue color. The blue color is called, I don't know. I'm going to go with the blue color though. Alright guys, so I'm going to try and get through this video with this little bitty battery space. The struggle. So before I do my foundation, my skin really likes this Milani face oil. They have the Prep and Soothe, and then they have the Prep and Brighten. The Prep and Soothe is just what I got, is like camellia oil, and the Prep and Brighten is rose oil. I can't even talk. I like to put this on the bottom of my face because when I put it on top of my face and try to do my eyebrows, it don't work, so I have to do this like after my eyebrows are done because. But I used my NYX brow gel today, so my brows are extra fleeky and I'm loving it. Yeah, so then I do this. I put the oil on my skin and I let it like sit in for just a little bit. Well, actually a lot of it. Oh my god, my battery is low. Oh my god, like, done. So I've already did the oil. Now the next thing I like to go to is my L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lock Primer. I really like this primer. Like, I don't know why. I really don't know why, but I feel like it works best with my L'Oreal foundations. So I'm going to use this. I don't know why I do it like whiskers, but I like to put this on my face. Spread it out. Okay, so if you guys haven't watched my L'Oreal tutorial with the Freshwear, make sure you go ahead and watch that one. But I went ahead and got it again. I got the color 510 because the other color was too dark. Now I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh my god, but it looked like a perfect match. Trust me, it was not. When I went in my bathroom, I was a whole shade darker. So I'm like, can't be wearing foundation that does not match. So what I'm gonna do is try and go in with this color, which this color looks a little bit too light, but their color range of the L'Oreal Freshwear is not that great. Like, it's actually highly disappointing. Like, they say they got 30 shades, but you got tons of light to medium, but then when it gets to medium to dark, it's just like, what, 6 shades maybe? I don't know, but it's not that great. But I love the way this foundation made my skin look, so we're just gonna go with it, okay? So I gotta prime it first. Ooh! It's really, what's the word? Liquidy. Alright, now for concealer, I'm going in with my new favorite. I'm trying to decide if I'm going with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer or going with my Fenty Beauty Concealer. I think I'm going with the ColourPop just because that's what I did in my last video, and it just looked so good. It just looked so bomb. Like, I just can't help it. So I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I feel like I'm running out of this stuff already. I'm running out. Oh, you guys, it's so creamy and smooth. I gotta get some more of this. And this stuff is only $6, and it's literally a dupe to the Tarte Shape Tape. Like, when I say it's a dupe, it's a dupe. Like, it dries down matte. I don't have to set it. Like, when I do my eyebrows with this concealer, and I never have to set it. Alright, so now I'm trying to decide if I'm going to do cream contour or powder. I did go and get a darker color. I hate when white containers be all dirty looking. Ugh, that drives me nuts. But this is the color Dark 54, which is a lot of shades darker. I think I'm going to do a little bit of cream contour, but not too much. Like, that's it. Like, very little bits. Alright, so for not concealer, for setting powder, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup, my holy grail, the only powder I use. I'm going to set my face with that, if I can find the brush that I normally use. Okay, like, I really like this. Like, this foundation's not looking so bad. So, like I said, this is my new fave. Definitely my new favorite foundation. Like, my skin looks so bomb. Okay, so where is my... Oh, here it is. So I'm gonna first cut under here really quick. Alright, so for bronzer, I'm going to go with my CoverGirl Queen. Like, I am so upset. I am... The words. Okay. Sorry about that, y'all. I had pizza come that I did not hear. Glad he called me instead of just leaving. But now I'm going to do my highlighter. I'm going to go in with my Huge. Actually, no, I haven't used my ABH kit. Literally, I don't even remember the last time I've used it. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Sun Dipped kit. I've never used the color Tourmaline. I think I might try that really quick. Lord, don't let me regret this. Oh, I've never used it before. Oh my god, that is so pretty. Oh my god. I thought gold highlighters were the only good highlighters. I have been playing myself. I have a side of a nose. That's what I got. Oh. Ooh, y'all. Oh my god. Y'all, I am shooketh. Okay? I am shooketh. That is so pretty. Okay, lower lash line, and then I'm done. I'm going in with the pink shade on the lower lash line. I'm gonna use what's left over first. Wrong brush. Okay, I might not have to go in with any because there's still a lot on here. Okay, now I'm going to set my face with my MAC Fix Plus. Why am I wasting setting spray when I'm going to be in the house? I don't know. Oh, this highlighter though. Alright you guys, so that is it for this makeup look slash tutorial slash foundation. I am in love with this highlighter. You guys, I am shook. I've had that palette for like 2 years now and I've never used that shade. But it looks so dang good. I am so excited. I'm so proud of this look. And I feel like I'm getting a pimple. I just wasn't sure I wanted to spend another $40 on a palette, but it's pretty bomb. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these other colors, like Coastline and Estate. I guess those are just good for transition colors, but I mean, I guess. I don't know. But anyways, I really do like the palette, and I think you should go get it. If you want to spend the $45 on the palette, I think you should get it. Like I said, I've never had an ABH palette before, so I don't know what her consistencies and all that kind of stuff usually is, but I know she's really known well for her palettes and stuff. So I didn't do any lips or anything because I don't want to do no lipstick or nothing because I'm just at home and I'm not gonna waste no lipstick. Okay, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys like this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. But thank you guys so much for watching and have a good day.